today is day 2 of rewiring the van, and the issue that Michael found right when he started working is that the breaker panel, which this is a household breaker panel, which he said is not a huge deal. It's in here. It's not the best. It's not RV, but like it's workable. But the first electrician never put a main breaker in it, which is very dangerous for yours truly. So we had an ungrounded shore power line, no main breaker on the breaker box, and something else he just figured out, which I don't understand, but just another dangerous element. So they were not new.
They were not new plugs. So we have gone and put new plugs in.
And not just any plugs, because I see something on the left and the right that will make any millennial happy. Ooh, so pretty! Nothing! What is this?
So this is a small 400 amp, 400 watt inverter. What you would use this for is when you're traveling and don't have your generator hooked up, or you're not hooked up to shore power, you can run 2 circuits of 110 voltage off of your batteries with this, which will be in turn charged by the alternator.
Alternator car. And those back there,
that's one battery. Another one will be going right here. Just haven't mounted it yet. And then there will be a breaker panel, fuse panel up on the wall somewhere in this vicinity.
those. And why didn't you get the neon pink boxes that I specifically asked for? Okay, that's enough out of you. Oh my god! We have light! The closet, the crawl-in closet is illuminated. And look at this one. I love this thing. So this was Michael's good thinking, because I would have just put in a basic bitch light and called it a day. But what he was thinking is that when you're in a small and enclosed space, you may not want direct light all the time. So this baby, like if it's dark out and I come back here and I'm throwing in my stuff from, you know, being out doing whatever the hell I want all day, I can tilt the light down, right? Or at nighttime, if I don't want direct light, I can tilt it back up, and it will kind of bounce off the ceiling, and it's just, I just think that's pretty cool. Ooh, the batteries are here. They're in the back seat, and through the grace of God, I was able to lift them. They are 2 100 amp maintenance-free batteries. These are specifically 500 pounds each. Where's the moving dolly? Oh, shit. I'm so hoping that some of the shit show that I've gone through with this electric will help somebody else from making the same mistakes or getting into the same bind that I did. But I am very hopeful that we are not too far off, and that it kind of hit me last night when I saw how fast Michael was working. I was like, oh my gosh, like I'm gonna have to get in this thing soon. So it's becoming a little bit real, but that's a good problem to have. So I'm going to focus on driving so I don't kill me or the kind people around me. Let's do this!